What's up, guys? It's your boy DeBurger. I'm back here again with another video, another banger. If you guys are new to the channel, go watch some of my previous videos, see if you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, share with your friends and family. But today's video, we're going to be focusing on my Surron that I got. All right, guys, so this is the Surron that I just purchased about almost 2 months now. I believe it's 2 months now. I believe so. So this is my Surron. It's a 79 bike though. You know, Surron chassis, really nice, fun little street-ish dirt bike. Goes up to 65 miles per hour with stock settings. Nothing done to the bike. The only thing that's been done to the bike is the Warp 9 stem lock, just so the stem is all locked in and, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. But that's about the only thing that's done to the bike. But the bike is pretty clean. It's a two-tone color, so you have the white and you have the black. Beautiful bike. Comes with a 72-volt battery. So I'll pop the battery for you guys to see. So comes with a 72-volt battery and 40 amp. So 72-volt, 40 amp. The motor, which this bike runs on, is a 18 kilowatt motor. It's like 17 or something like that, or 18, some shit like that. I can't remember. But the controller is right in the front. It's also made by 79 bike. Brakes is Lewis brakes on here. 79 bike handlebar, Lewis brakes front and rear. Regen braking. So it does regen braking, which basically when you push this button while you're riding, it slows the bike down just so your bike can stop and all that good stuff. What's the percentage on the battery? Got 2 bars here now, so you guys can see that. Bike's pretty juiced up. It's a fun bike. Like I said, there's only 2 complaints I'm gonna make about this bike. It has warranty on it, but the warranty, if you do a warranty claim, it takes a long time for you to get any parts in, you know. I did a warranty claim on the battery, you know, because this battery went out, and these batteries are about $3 grand almost. Okay, so if you drop the bike and you break the battery or damage the battery, it's $3 grand you gotta spend on it. So if you're not lucky and you break it within the first year, after the warranty is over, you're done. Basically, you gotta spend $3 grand on the bike to get the new battery, which is the most ridiculous thing they could have ever done. You know what I mean? But the bike is a very fun bike. Like I said, it's fun, it's fast, it's nimble, it's easy to ride. I'm 190 pounds and I'm about 6 feet tall, so I fit on the bike perfectly fine. I'll do a video for you guys to see how I fit on it, how I sit on it and everything. I always wear a helmet when I ride, always, just because I don't want to fall and break my neck and stuff like that. I'm not a fan of this back place, you know what I mean, not being in place like that. But the bike is a very fun bike. Suspension is air, both front and rear, you know. It's dual suspension. But the only thing I hate about the bike is the warranty. The company that I had to go through to get a warranty, 79 bike, they're not the best people. They take forever to reply to you, as well as the company the dealership I bought this bike from. They are the slowest dealership ever on earth. I don't recommend you guys going to Holland Motor to buy any bike from them. Okay, if you're gonna get a 79 bike or any type of Surron style bike, get it from the manufacturer themselves. So if you get it from 79 bike, they'll be able to help you quicker. If you get it from a third party, that's when they don't want to help you, you know. So you know, these are stuff you got to pick your own bone for and also figure out what you want to do. But the bike comes with a full kickstand, you know, so you can park it. And when the kickstand is on, it put the bike in a park mode where you can't do nothing, where you can't throttle it, you know, which is a safety feature, and I love that about the bike. So if I put the kickstand on, you know, and I basically throttle it, boom, I get nothing, you know. But as soon as I put the kickstand up and then I push this button, puts it in drive. You guys heard that. Now the bike is in full power mode, so I'm gonna do that one more time. So kickstand is off, throttle. You guys get the gist of what I'm trying to do. So as soon as you put the kickstand on, the bike also comes with some beautiful, colorful lights. You can't really see it because it's bright outside, but you guys can see some lights going on here. But it's a very fun bike. It's scary. I fell on the bike a few times. It's scary for me, so I want to learn how to ride it some more, you know what I mean? But I'm not really confident in the bike, really. So once I keep riding, maybe I might get better at it, and I'll be able to make more videos for you guys. But I thought I'll give you guys a quick update for you guys to see the bike. It comes with a horn, which I'm gonna honk the horn for you guys. It's a really loud horn, so you guys get the point. The horn is fun to use whenever I'm riding around. The bike also goes into neutral mode when you don't throttle for a few seconds. See that? You can see that it's in neutral now. To stop the bike, all I have to do is hit the red button here. It goes into drive or eco. There's 3 modes on here: eco, drive, and sport. But most of the time I ride in eco, and then when I want to go hoon around, I put it in sports mode to ride it. But other than that, I thought I'd share the bike with you guys. A beautiful bike. It has turn signals and all that good stuff. Front headlights for you to do some night riding if you like to do some night riding with the bike. So all that good stuff. If you're interested in this type of bike, let me know. I get discounts and stuff like that from 79 Bike, and I'll get you guys hooked up. As well as if you're interested, I can sell you my bike and get another one. This bike only has 24 miles on it, so keep track of miles, you know. You guys can see that. Keep track of the miles and everything, which is a good thing, you know, as well as the battery. What do you call it? Learning how to maintain the battery in the wintertime and the summertime if you're not riding. If you're riding, how to keep it charged and all that good stuff, you know. You never want to run the bike fully not charging, stuff like that, if what I'm saying makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you come back for some more video. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace. All right, so before I ride, I was with my gear. So I'm gonna do a little riding for you guys. And this basic gear is throwing in a chest protector, just in case you fall, rocks and all that good stuff doesn't hit you, you know. And I throw on a helmet. So I throw on my helmet and I lock it in. I don't just wear the helmet, you know what I mean? I lock it in to make sure I'm protected from any type of damage to my brain, because my brain is very important. And now I throw on some gloves. So these gloves will protect my fingers if I fall on rocks, and I don't scrape my palms and shit like that. So this is my food gear. You know, I'm supposed to wear jeans or pants, but I got shorts on today to make a video for you guys. So next thing I do is hop off the bike and ride around, and that's as simple as this. So I first lift up the bike, and then I put the kickstand on, move shit out of my way, and I go out to ride in.